How to obtain only the first true value from each row of a NumPy array. I have a 4x3 Boolean NumPy array, and I'm trying to return a same-sized array which is all false, except for the location of the first true value on each row of the original. So if I have a starting array of then I'd like to return. So indices 1, 0 and 2 on the first 3 rows have been set to true and nothing else. Essentially any true value, beyond the first on each row, from the original way have been set to false. I've been fiddling around with this with np.where and np.argmax and I haven't yet found a good solution. Any help gratefully received. This needs to run many times, so I'd like to avoid iterating.
You can use CumSum and find the first bool by comparing the result with 1. This also accounts for the issue at a_guest pointed out. The second CumSum call is needed to avoid matching all false values between the first and second true value. If performance is important, use argmax and set values. Perfplot performance timings. I'll take this opportunity to show off perfplot with some timings, since it is good to see how our solutions vary with different sized inputs. The train carries forward to larger n. CumSum is very expensive, while there is a constant time difference between my second solution and at a_guests.
You can use the following approach using NP argmax and a product with NP of logical_ord, reduce for dealing with rows that are all false. Timing results. Different versions in increasing performance, I to E, fastest approach comes last.
If you want to put